So I bought this recently. It's cool. It's like a repair kit from iFixit. It's really nice. So I'm gonna, and I've also bought these nice earphones. I like them. They're not the best quality, but you know, they're repairable, which is what I was looking for. You can read that. So it says change is in your hands, which is cool. So let's get into opening it. I just wanna see how this all works. I haven't read any manuals or anything, so let's see if that you can just kind of wing it. So I'm gonna open up my. This is magnetic as well, which is cool. But a bit weird to open though, to be honest. And it's kind of how you meant to open this. There's a bit to it. Ah, I see. First design issue. How you meant to open this? Yeah. So anyway, I fix it. You've got some design things to fix basically. Anyway, here's the box. So we're gonna take a screwdriver. Let's see. This looks like one of those, you know, standard screws. I think it's called the Phillips head. Anyway, I'm gonna put this to the side. We've got like a nice holding thing here. We got like a grid to like stack screws or whatever. All right, let's see what's inside. That's cool. Ooh, oh, this is kind of cool. Look at that. One screw, you separate, like, I guess this is like the inner unit of sorts. You've got the battery here, which is cool. So it changes in your hands. Take that out. Yeah, this is sick. You can order one of these from Fairphone. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. This is cool. So you can see you can replace the case. So if you break the case, you can yeah, if you break the case, you can replace it. So it's like kind of meant to be broken, which is so cool. Should we go deeper? Yeah, fine, let's go deeper. Let's see what's like beyond that. These ones seems a bit smaller, by the way. Smaller screws. I don't know. Is there smaller than this? There is. Okay. Looks like there is. Look at that. Indeed, there is smaller. Okay. Let's change this. Really easy to use tool, by the way. By the way, I'm doing this like without reading any manuals, which is really cool. So like if you should probably read the manual, but I thought it's not that deep. So just opening it up, see what's inside. I just need to be careful, like not to break it and whatnot. So as long as like you're careful, I guess it's not that big of an issue. iFixit has this tool. I guess this is what is used for. This tool right here. So maybe I can go inside and do this. Be careful not to break it. Ooh, let me check the instructions. I see my mistake. I forgot 2 screws here. Oh well, you can disconnect it. Okay. There's a bunch of cables in there. Look at that. You can replace this. I saw on the website there's a main board. You can also let's check. Let's just make sure. Yeah, so in here you can actually replace the USB-C port and the main board, which is crazy. Like, it took me like a few minutes to open this up. Everything is there, so you wanna replace it. You wanna replace whatever you broke. You can order the parts online. This is so cool, and yeah, good job to Fairphone. Yeah, keep it up, guys. All right, let's put this all back together. Wait a second. Oh, look at that. Got on a magnet. Okay, maybe I use my look at that. It's magnetic. Another good design. Good design elements. Magnetic screws, or sorry, magnetized screwdriver. Nice. All right, nice. Put the battery back. Put the battery back in. Oh, that around. Nice. That seems solid. The buds back in. There we go. Put it back in the case, like so. Close the case. Last screw, put it in. Yeah, I can use the same header, just a bit bigger. The one I'm using is a Philips, I guess a Philips head 000. Yeah, that seems tight. Yeah, sick. Thank you for watching. Peace.